In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to fix Roblox error 304. Go to your start menu, go to settings, apps, installed apps, search for Roblox, press the three dots, and uninstall both the player and Roblox Studio. So this should fully erase any sort of Roblox file on your computer. To double check this, what you can do is press the Windows key and R and type %local app data %. Now press enter. If you've still got a Roblox file here, what you can do is click on it and then put it in the bin. So now we need to clear our cache, so press the Windows sign and R and type in %temp%, and now you want to press the three dots, select all, and then bin. So now what we need to do is reinstall Roblox, so go onto your browser, type in Roblox, select any game, press the blue button and follow the steps on how to install it. If you're still having issues, you need to uninstall any third-party software you may have, like auto clickers or exploit injectors. Thank you for watching the video. Let me know down in the comments below if you found this helpful.